Hello Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 11th of October. Yes, it is. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner and tarot reader. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aquarius. So in Capricorn's reading, I was saying something about the Ussies, Aquarius, Taurus, Sagittarius. Okay, something about those three people. We have Capricorn. Ooh, so Capricorn, I was talking about Aquarius in your reading and you come back in Capricorn's in. I was talking about Aquarius in Capricorn's reading. Now Capricorn came in Aquarius reading. Something about a Capricorn Aquarius, something about the devil, something about the industry, or something about demonology. Demonology. We have Kundalini. Oh, Capricorn, does the devil want a cuddle? What is happening here? We have Pisces. Every time I see Capricorn, Pisces follow. What you want, Capricorn? Aquarius, I do not know what a Capricorn and a Pisces is into. They look like they're into sex. Fake business. We're getting them saying that they're business partners in the bedroom. That's where they at. The Hierophant. You cannot say my line. You cannot say a line out of my name. And MK Ultra. So I'm getting something as a total cover up. Them I say I'm my auntie, I'm my cousin. What? What? Missy hickey on your neck. Why you bright? I know hickey that a mosquito bite. Which part you there for mosquito bite you last night? No, wait, not nice. You there with not nice. Yo, easy yourself, man. I'm go check. Yo, easy yourself, cause I'm man you go take. Okay, lick me. Lock off my breath. You're lucky somebody don't get back my hammer yet. Yo, oh you so sure? Tell me how you know. Me no search phone, but the text did a show. You search up the phone, man. What the text say? It say you for meet him again today. You want him there, me and him never there. You want him there, me and him never there. You want him there, me and him never there. My brethren tell me your friend need for go right. Why you up in the business, bro? Stop blocking the food, man. You blocking man's food. So Kundalini fake business at MK Ultra. But I don't know what somebody I tell you. I have Capricorn, Pisces and the Hierophant. So these three people are in something. It's either somebody I have sex with two people and that don't know, or me getting one person know about the secret about two person. Aquarius, this is your reading. So me getting the Hierophant, Pisces and Capricorn, which could also be Taurus, Capricorn and Pisces. Jesus Christ. I don't know what kind of living arrangement this. I don't know what kind of roommate agreement this is. I don't know what it is. Let's go. Kundalini is a page, Knight of Cups. Okay. I'm getting something emotional but not physical. Kundalini. So maybe hugging, touching, there could be kissing, but I'm not getting nothing physical. What's Capricorn? This is the Hangman. I'm getting you don't believe it. I don't believe it either. Once you are willing to kiss and cuddle and hug somebody, that has just as bad as having sex with them. Because me know man who have sex with girl but never kiss them. I know this and this is crazy to me, right? Me getting is just as bad. Someone's like, we didn't have sex. You never, okay, well, I don't know what else to say to you. Fake business are the 6 of Wands. Oh, you paid for it. Nothing wrong. Thank you for supporting your local MILF. Pisces is a page of Wands. MK Ultra is the 8 of Cups. And the Hierophant is the Chariot. Me getting the Hierophant is telling the truth. The Hierophant is a police officer or something about the Cancer. You think the Cancer is a Hierophant? Do you believe the Hierophant drives? The High Priestess, I do not think they drive, or something about this Hierophant and one Cancer police officer. So me getting a Capricorn and a Pisces has been working together for a very long time. Me getting the whole everything fake though. Or somebody's a man, them say is a man, but you are saying you're not gay. I don't know what I want. Somebody saying, yeah, that person there is a man. And you say, no, but I'm not gay. I know I'm a man. And you say, yeah, man. I don't know. What is this with you? Let's go around again. See the penis here? I swear, like you say, so somebody a man and you say, no, they're not. I don't know if somebody say you have a sex change. Where you forget the money from? Where the fuck you getting the money from for do that? After you get the sex change, you're fucking traumatized because these niggas will bring you on a date and leave you there. I didn't know any DDZ drivers, right? Yes, I once or something about sex. Yeah, have sex with this woman. Yeah, say your friend. You are Virgo, the hermit. Me getting somebody I tell back a Virgo something about your sex life, or the Virgo is inquiring about someone's sex life. Yeah, the star card. Or something about what is your prices. No, I have 6 pentacles here with this woman. Is it safe to say that woman is charging $600 an hour? Because that is what it looks like. But me getting a fake business, nothing go so. Maybe somebody have up your pictures and solicit man for money in exchange for sex. Me getting it fake. Come, I see 6 of pentacles here. So he look like he's charging $600. Go, girl. Okay, what is Pisces? Pisces is the death fucking card. So I'm getting somebody gonna use your image, or when them finish making people pay for this service of you seeing you. This could be something about OnlyFans that is $60 a month. Me getting, yeah, when them gonna hide the money from you and then get rid of you and then claim say you were just like a prostitute on the sidewalk. Pisces. Or me getting a Pisces going to hide something before them kill themselves or something like that. Somebody have something safe for a long time and them are gonna hide it. Now the horses can tell us about duality. There's one black one, one white one. One serving as death and one serving as just not only an aid for the Knight of Pentacles for reach that part of the tree branch, but maybe he's putting it up there at the same time. MK Ultra is a Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting a Pisces, something about a Pisces, like an overdose or drinking. MK Ultra. One more. And yeah, and the police is acting like they don't know what happened. I'm getting the police to turn a blind eye to something was happening. Now, I don't know if you think that somebody is saying something because them intoxicated, because them drunk, or I don't know if that's what the Pisces is saying, or I'm getting you're mixing up 2 people. When I have this person, them I say, yeah, them drink a lot, me getting, but them supposed to be a police officer, them supposed to be somebody like law enforcement, me getting you not turn a blind eye to something. Unless you turn a blind eye to somebody drinking them life away, or drinking and getting under this weird shit of starting drama and causing problem and maybe having sex. That's why you want somebody to have a lot of sex with men, because when you have sex with men you can prostitute, you can pimp and prostitute her out and get money. So that's why you want somebody drink. Aquarius, me getting is you want to know what is the hell is happening. So that is what is the hell is happening. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.